The Compass Carpet Bag is a doctor style bag that features a metal frame at the top of the bag. And the fun thing about this pattern is it will give you an opportunity to try out several different interfacings. It uses foam interfacing for the body of the bag, a bit of fusible fleece for the sides, Pellon Shapeflex SF101 throughout, and there's even a bit of Decovil Heavy on the bottom of the bag for some extra structure and strength. So let me show you a little bit more about some of the features of this bag. Okay, so this bag features a front slip pocket, which is handy for a cell phone or other small items. And it also has some wraparound accents on the sides, and the accents match the fabric color of the straps, and there's also some zipper accents along the top of the bag. So my favorite feature of this bag is it secures with a zipper at the top and opens thanks to some metal frames. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There's a zipper pocket, and everything is finished by sewing right sides together, and the frames actually slip in at the very end of the sewing instructions. So let me partially pull out one of the frames just so you can see. So here's the metal frame. If you need to wash the bag, you can just slip that frame out, and then it easily goes back into the bag, and the whole bag is assembled before the frame is inserted, which is really nice in case you need to order some frames. I have them available on my website. The Compass Carpet Bag pattern includes full step-by-step color instructions, and the full-length instructional video is 1 hour and 41 minutes long.